Here I've got ASUS Zenfone 6, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list where you will see system. Just tap on it and now go to reset options. And the last tab is erase all data, which is for factory reset. Just select it. And now just be aware that this operation will erase everything like your Google account, system and app data and setting, downloaded apps, music, photos and any other user data. And if you truly want to do it, just click on erase all data. And now you can use your pattern if you have one to confirm the selection of this option and confirm again that you would like to erase all data, all your photos and any other documents. Now just patiently wait until it's done. It will be done automatically, but it may take a couple of minutes. And that's it. As you can see now, you can set up your phone as a new one from the beginning. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.